My name is Phyllis Ellis, and I am a cancer survivor. The surgeon said, you have cancer. You feel like I'm going to die. And I got too much to do to die. I called the Cancer Treatment Center of America. They took me by the hand. They explained things to me. They're compassionate. They feel my pain. They knew me better than I knew myself. The energy that I got from them, I took that and I gave it to the patients. I said, let me tell you something. We are fighters, and fighters win.
Call now and we'll show you how the most compassionate people anywhere put you at the center of everything they do. Advanced medical treatment combined with unique supportive therapies give you treatment options you may not even know exist.
I won this battle. I got my life back again. Just want to sing every day. I got a song in my heart. I'm healthy. I'm good.
Please call today.
Alam mo ba na ang TV ad can help you reach more customers? Mas epektibo kaysa sa dyaryo and is more affordable than you might think. Ang LA18 ay makakatulong mag-produce ng low-cost, effective TV commercial by calling today. Broadcasting digitally on 18.1, we offer better picture and sound quality diretso sa inyong mga customers. Leverage the power of LA18 to advertise your business sa mas maraming customers. Tawagan si LA18's VP of Sales, Scan and Grade today para sa libreng konsulta on how we can help your business grow.
Michael Copart from One Street Hill, Scorpion King 2, Bring It On, maybe even singing Power Rangers a long time ago. But catch me out on Kapabay in LA this Tuesday, March 1st. Call in, ask me whatever you want. I'll be waiting for your call. Hello?
Yes, it's not Friday today, but I'd still say TGIF. Thank God I am Filipino. Philippine pride is riding really high. Victory of our kababayans at the Oscar Awards last Sunday. Of course, Michael Copan, another another kababayan doing very well in Hollywood. He's going to be joining us tomorrow on the show Open Phone Lines. So you get to ask him anything you want. And right about now, I have an author on the show, kababayan, who's published 2 books. He was an advertising executive in the Philippines, owned his own advertising firm, wrote a lot of stories, wrote copy, wrote teleserye. Hello, Mr. Percival Cruz. Magandang hapon po sa inyo.
Magandang hapon naman, Janelle. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Let's talk about the book. I am very excited because I actually got to read some of the stories and it brings me back to my memories of childhood in the Philippines. Yung mga kwento ng yaya ko, yung alamat ng ganyan, yung mga manananggal, yung mga kapre. Can you tell us about the stories that you have in the book?
Yeah, meron din tayo nung araw yung kwento ni Lola Basyang kasi wala naman masyadong TV nung araw. So the main form of entertainment were short stories written by our writers, and they came out in magazines that came out weekly, and people waited for them. So these books is like representative of that kind of literature. Our community here and everywhere else in the world, if they wanna have books that have Philippine content, these books are available.
I think it highlights Filipino creativity. Kasi alam mo, sobrang yaman ng kultura nating mga Pilipino na maganda na ipapaliwanag natin sa kanila in the form of this book. Say for example, yung kapre, yung manananggal, yung mga tiyanak. Yan. Not a lot of Filipino Americans here who were born and raised here, 2nd, 3rd, 4th generation Filipino Americans. I'm sure right about now they're already asking their parents, ano ba yung kapre?
Totoo yan. At saka some other important subject matter like love, yung pag-ibig na Amerikano, iba yung pag-ibig ng Pilipino.
Oo.
Meron tayong concept sa mga babae, yung tampo. It is in itself a concept that is hard to understand.
Right, I saw that too. Tayong mga dalagang Pilipina, mga matampuhin daw o kaya 'di ba? Marami yan nasa libro. And it's just a good book to share with your kids in order for them kasi by understanding our literature, 'di ba? We understand our culture as well.
Well, I found out in my 24, 27 years here in the U.S., the second generation, the parents don't actually try hard to tell their kids about our language, about our culture, but the children, they find out on their own, and they become interested.
Right.
So these books are also dedicated to them.
Right.
So if there is something missing in their heart, they want to discover about the heritage of their parents, then this is one way.
It's very interesting, I tell you guys, and you know what I like about the books also? Merong Tagalog translation and there are also English translations. So it could be a good way for you also to pick up some Tagalog terms. And what I like is the stories parang napaka-simple. Para po kayong nakikipagkwentuhan sa inyong kapitbahay, correct?
Alam mo, Janelle, pag narito ka na, hindi ka nagtatagalog masyado. So, pag hindi mo ginamit, katulad ko, merong kaunting kakayahan sa pagsulat. Pag hindi ako nagsulat sa Tagalog, malilimutan ko na.
Okay, may bagwis ang pag-ibig. Ano ba po ang ibig sabihin ng bagwis?
Ang bagwis ay pakpak. Kapareho rin yan ang pakpak, wings. Sa English, love has wings.
Okay, love has wings and the Maiden of Ilog Pasig. Ilog Pasig, one of the most important and historical places in the Philippines. Where can we get the books?
The books are available online. So it doesn't matter where you are. Go to Amazon.com and there's a search box. You can just put my name there, Percival Campo Amor Cruz, and you can order these books.
You know, we feature a lot of books here on the show, but I'm telling you, kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng libro, ito po ang dapat nyong bilhin, and seldom do I endorse a book like this, but this is really, really good. I read it myself. And it's good for gift para po matutunan natin kung sino ba talaga tayong mga Pilipino dito sa Amerika. Thank you so much, sir, at mabuhay po.
It's my pleasure.
Let me know if you have and when you have another book coming out.
Okay, maraming salamat.
That's the website on the screen, Amazon.com, and we will be back tomorrow on Kababayan LA Junto.
Ang Kababayan LA ay hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's at ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso drinks. McDonald's na ba ang inyong bagong coffee house? Ang mga bagong McCafe Espresso drinks ay mabilis, masarap at mas mura pa. Kahit saan, kahit kailan.
Alam namin mahalaga ang inyong oras dahil laging busy ang mga Pinoy. Kaya naman simple lang dapat ang pagpapadala ng pera saan man sa mundo. Kasing simple ng pagpunta sa ATM machine. Eto na ngayon. Sa ATM Cash,